Hi, and welcome to Day 2 at Analytica 2025. Let me show you one of our 3 solutions for flammable material storage. This is our Flammable Material Refrigerator. That's 12 cubic feet. It has glass shelves that you can easily pull out and in for easy storage of your products. The antimicrobial handle also allows you to easily open and close the door from any position. It is EnergyStar 2.0 certified, and it has our newest user interface. It also has a manual lock to ensure that no one gets into your units. If you want to check out more of our solutions, come check us out at booth 935 here at Analytica.